Hi, my name is Matthew Dewey. I'm a teacher at Far East University in Korea. I'm also a founding member of the band Delirios do Sol, otherwise known in Korean as Taeang의 Hansang, which basically means delusions of the sun. I've been sort of obsessed with the sun recently. We've been getting pounded by solar flares. The result is insane weather, blizzards in April. Farmers late planting their crops. And just less than 2 hours ago, it was hot and sunny. Now look at it. These are geomagnetic storm clouds. I am one of the unlucky people on the planet. Scientists have studied it. I am one of those unlucky few that when this planet's magnetic field gets distorted by a blast of solar radiation, I suffer physical symptoms. And I started wondering what was going on, and the students were wondering what was going on, and the farmers out in the fields out there were wondering, scratching their heads, gazing up at the sky, squinting up at the sky. I saw a duck fly into a building. Got on the internet, and within 10 minutes I found spaceweather.com, www.spaceweather.com. The media here do not inform the people. But if you go to the Spanish internet and take, the time and the trouble to use Google Translate, what's geomagnetic storm in Spanish? Tormentas geomagnéticas. All over the Spanish internet. Nowhere on the Korean internet. Here's my colleague, Mike Berry. Mike, this is the Matthew's broadcast service.
Is that a picture device
YouTube.
or just a
No, this is a movie. And I'm going to start a news broadcast on MySpace.
Oh.
Because every time I send an email to the Huffington Post, I get permanent failed delivery.
Well, they've turned into quite a mainstream so-called organization.
That's what I figured. Yeah.
So where are you back? You go back to your office?
Well, we're having a minor geomagnetic event.
Fluctuation?
Yeah.
This is yellow dust. Is what this is.
The clouds, though. Look at the clouds.
Yeah, no, these are those like the ones they showed the so-called earthquake clouds.
Right.
You seen those pictures?
It's bullshit. It's because of solar radiation slamming into our...
because of the HAARP system. HAARP. Check it out.
Well, it's also... Let's stick with scientific.
HAARP is scientific.
I know, but you can go to spaceweather.com and
waves?
I don't want to get into all that crazy talk in my news broadcast. Not right away. I want to stick with the facts. Go to spaceweather.com.
I just came from having a beer with Lou.
You want to go to Byung-ga tonight?
No, I'm going to go with him. I'm going to take him tomorrow night. He has to buy me dinner.
Oh, okay.
So you're welcome to join us. I know you and he have a bit of a...
No, we're doing fine again.
But I told him that you showed me about the place, and it's really well worth going to.
Okay.
Well worth going to.
Good.
So if you want to give me a beat later, or I'll get in touch with you later.
All right.
Think about it tomorrow evening.
Okay. Bye.
Later, Matt.
So anyway, that's what the clouds look like. This is the weirdest, most bizarre spring. Weather in Korea is like clockwork. They've actually got like 24 seasons. They got it broken down in their traditional calendar. This is not. Earlier today, it was too hot, man. It was like July. Now, don't listen to all that crazy talk about HAARP, HAARP. That's just a conspiracy theory. Those crazy Chinese, they didn't know what they were talking about when they said that they were using that technology to, control the weather during the Olympics and so it wouldn't rain on the poor athletes. That's just crazy talk, right? Well, I've been trying to get this. I've started information viruses. And so, you can't upload I can't upload a video from my iPhone to YouTube in South Korea because the people that control the media, the people that control the information, they don't want a change in the status quo. And I'm all about a change in the status quo. And so are the Chinese. You should see this place. They're turning Seoul into another Hong Kong. It's beautiful. And people are smiling and people are happy because the people that control the advertising on the public transit systems, no more ads for booze and fried chicken and shady investment products. Those are gone. Now, everywhere you go, the message to the public: hey Koreans, you got an image problem. Smile. Everybody smile. Everybody cooperate. Guess what? New housing program for the needy. All kinds of great stuff going on here. I'll keep you posted. But just to show you, give you a view from my office. There you go. There are the farms. There's that weird weather. I mean, today we had a diamond blue sky, and it was so hot, and then suddenly, like this. There are the rice paddies. Finally, they have water in them. There are the orchards. Finally, they're sprouting leaves. There are the kids out on the athletic field, having a good time. More as more comes.